Morning, guys. This is the good old cafe, and this is the great peanut butter lick. As you have noticed, I have currently covered my body in peanut butter. I've covered my skull in peanut butter, and today we're gonna do something sweet, right, buddy? Today, Cutla's gonna lick the peanut butter right off my face. Isn't that sweet? Look at that. Look at Cabo go. Oh, we're just getting started. Come here, Cabo. Come here, buddy. Aw, love you too, bud. Love you too. Up, up. Buddy, look up here. Up here. Aw, love you too, buddy. Hey, buddy. Well, that turned out well. What do you think, boys? Let me just put this back. This just reveals that you can train your dog to do anything. Right, buddy? Anyway, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. And please stay tuned for more more episodes coming soon. Anytime. Say hi, Cabo. Hey, buddy. Love you too.